Creators, your next viral thumbnail can be done in just a minute. If you are still struggling with outdated tools like Photoshop, Canva, and even ChatGPT in 2026, just to squeeze out 0.3% more CTR, then it's time to stop burning 3 hours on a thumbnail. Let me show you how to create banger thumbnails. First, log into VeeFly. Click on Thumbnail Generator. It'll ask you to link your YouTube channel and just approve access. And don't worry, VeeFly is an official Google partner, so your data stays secure, and this step simply helps personalize your thumbnails and help us improve your channel and video performance. Now you're inside. And before you even start from scratch, VeeFly gives you built-in inspiration templates right on the dashboard. You can simply click Recreate on any thumbnail you see, check the exact prompt behind it, and tweak it to match your video idea. There are also smart floating prompt suggestions to guide you, so even if you don't know what to type, you're never stuck. And the craziest part? It still starts with just one prompt. Type, "Shocked creator staring at exploding subscriber graph." Bold text, this worked. Click Generate, and boom, your desired thumbnail is ready. No design skills, no Photoshop. Pick one, open editor, change text, move elements, add stickers, resize anything. It's basically Photoshop, minus the struggle. Still not perfect? Just refine. Type, add more emotion and brighter colors, and you get a new version to compare. You can even upload your face, brush the area, and swap yourself directly into the thumbnail. Remove distractions with erase, add elements, customize everything until the story is crystal clear. So your workflow becomes simple. Idea to prompt to edit to download. And better thumbnails mean better CTR. Better CTR means more reach. More reach means growth. So if you're serious about YouTube growth, stop fighting design tools and start using AI that works with you. Try VeeFly's AI thumbnail generator today, because your next viral video might just be one thumbnail away.